That looks pretty disgusting, huh? Well, what's even more disgusting is that water comes from a hot water tank. And the water quality in your hot water heater could look very similar to what I'm exposing here. If you're not flushing your water heater, calcium and mineral deposits can linger on the base of that water heater. And it looks like this. This is the water that you bathe in, that you brush your teeth with, that you cook with. My recommendation is hire a professional and have your water heater flushed annually. Flushing your water heater will help remove this debris and keep your water heater in better shape and last longer.